Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Complete guide to the 75-point safety car inspection. What you need to know. Safety is non-negotiable in motorsport, and a thorough inspection is key to keeping drivers secure on the track. The 75-point safety car inspection serves as a vital checklist that ensures every vehicle meets essential safety standards and complies with racing regulations. In this video, we'll break down the importance of these inspections and what they include. You'll discover how they protect drivers, enhance performance, and promote fair competition. Understanding this process not only benefits racers but also reassures fans that safety is a top priority in the thrilling world of motorsport. Let's dive into why this inspection matters more than ever. Overview of safety car inspections. Safety car inspections are a critical part of motorsport that ensures the well-being of all participants. These inspections are designed to evaluate safety measures in race cars and track conditions before the event begins. By focusing on safety, officials aim to minimize risks and enhance the overall experience for drivers and fans alike. Definition and purpose. A safety car inspection involves a thorough check of race cars and safety equipment prior to a race. Think of it as a health checkup for race cars. The primary purpose is to ensure that every vehicle meets specific safety standards. Here are some key aspects of these inspections. Equipment verification. Inspectors check safety gear, such as helmets and racing suits, to confirm they meet regulations. Vehicle examination. Each car is examined for mechanical reliability, including brakes, tires, and seat belts. Track safety. Inspectors also evaluate the racetrack for any hazards that could endanger drivers. The goal is simple: prevent accidents and ensure that everyone can compete in a safe environment. This proactive approach not only protects the drivers but also reassures fans that safety is taken seriously. Historical context. The idea of safety inspections in racing isn't new. It has roots that trace back several decades. Initially, racing was more about speed and skill, often disregarding the risks involved. However, as motorsport grew in popularity, so did safety concerns. During the mid-20th century, several tragic accidents highlighted the urgent need for safety measures. In response, governing bodies began implementing formal inspection protocols. Over time, these inspections evolved. Regulatory enhancements. Organizations like the FIA and NASCAR developed strict guidelines for vehicle safety. Technology adoption. Advances in technology allowed for better safety gear and vehicle designs. Increased awareness. The racing community became more aware of the importance of safety, leading to more rigorous inspection processes. Today, safety car inspections are standard in all levels of racing, reinforcing the idea that safety and speed can go hand in hand. By learning from the past, the motorsport world continually improves its approach to safety, aiming to protect drivers, teams, and fans alike. Detailed breakdown of the 75-point inspection. The 75-point safety car inspection is a thorough process designed to keep vehicles safe on the road and track. Each point on the list plays a crucial role in ensuring performance and safety. Let's break down the key areas of this inspection. Mechanical components. During this part of the inspection, several essential mechanical components are checked to ensure they operate effectively. Here are the main areas of focus. Brakes. Inspectors examine pads, rotors, and fluid levels. Effective brakes are vital for stopping quickly and safely. Suspension. Components like shocks, struts, and springs are inspected. Proper suspension keeps the car stable and helps with handling. Tires. Tire tread depth and pressure are assessed. Good tires provide traction and control, especially in wet conditions. Every mechanical component plays a part in a car's overall safety and performance. Just think of it as laying the foundation for a sturdy building. If one part is off, the structure can become unstable. Safety equipment. Safety equipment is another critical area of inspection. This gear helps protect drivers and passengers in case of an accident. Here's what gets checked. Seat belts. Inspectors check for wear and functionality. Working seat belts are a must for everyone in the car. Fire extinguishers. These are checked for accessibility and functionality, ensuring they are ready if needed. Roll cages. For race cars, the integrity of the roll cage is evaluated. A strong roll cage can save lives in a rollover accident. Safety might seem like a secondary concern until an emergency happens. Think of safety checks as wearing a helmet while biking. It may feel unnecessary but can make all the difference if you fall. Electrical systems. The electrical systems in a car are vital for its operation. During the inspection, several components are evaluated. Lights, headlights, brake lights, and turn signals are checked for brightness and functionality. Proper lighting is essential for visibility. Sensors. Various sensors, including those for airbags and tire pressure, are inspected. They help monitor the car's performance and safety. Communication devices. Radio and intercom systems are reviewed for functionality, ensuring drivers can communicate effectively. Electrical systems are like the nervous system of a car. If something isn't firing correctly, it can affect the entire operation of the vehicle. Just like how you rely on your senses to navigate the world, a car needs its electrical systems to function smoothly. These inspections ensure that every vehicle meets safety standards and operates reliably. Each of these elements contributes to a safer driving experience, whether on the road or the racetrack. Importance of compliance. When it comes to motorsports, safety isn't just a checkbox. It's a vital part of the game. The 75-point safety car inspection ensures that vehicles meet essential safety standards before hitting the track. This process isn't merely a formality. It's a serious commitment to driver safety and team integrity. Compliance with these standards can make or break a season, and understanding its importance is critical for teams and drivers alike. Consequences of non-compliance. Failing to pass the safety inspection can have significant repercussions. Here's what teams and drivers need to consider. Fines. If a car does not meet the safety criteria, the governing body can impose hefty fines. These financial penalties can hurt a team's budget and overall performance. Disqualification. In the most serious cases, teams may face disqualification from races. Imagine putting in weeks of hard work only to sit on the sidelines because of non-compliance. It's a bitter pill to swallow. Reputation damage. A team's reputation can suffer if they consistently fail inspections. This can lead to loss of sponsors, which are crucial for funding and support. These consequences aren't just numbers on a paper. They represent lost opportunities, both in terms of immediate results and long-term growth. Stay tuned for Part 2, where we'll cover the remaining inspection points and provide more tips on keeping your car in top condition. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.